AI is incredible, isn't it? It's transforming how we search, plan, and even make financial decisions. But can it replace a mortgage broker? Especially a broker for expats or foreign nationals recently arrived to the UK. Well, here's 3 things to consider. Firstly, you might already have asked an AI tool to find lenders or rates for you, and it can certainly give you some names of banks in that market. But here's the problem. Many expat lenders don't publish their full criteria online, so AI can only show you partial information. That could mean you could easily chase a deal that looks perfect only to hit a wall mid-process. Secondly, many expat lenders don't accept direct business from the public. They only work through registered brokers who handle the compliance and the documentation, so you're not getting the full picture. And thirdly, AI cannot negotiate with lenders. I often speak to banks directly with underwriters to explain or to defend a client's credit blip or other issue, and that human conversation can be the difference between approval and declining. So AI is certainly a fantastic research tool, but it can't replace the insight, relationships, and problem solving that comes from a broker experience. So if you have found a lender via AI, why not ask your broker to beat or validate the deal and to see what else is out there? So in summary, by all means, use AI for your research, but let your specialist mortgage broker do the heavy lifting. If this has been useful, please follow us on the socials, request a quick quote or a free call in the links provided. And remember, big moves start with small steps, and I'm here when you're ready.